So I was just thinking of if something like this is made here, in terms of like if you're directly talking about a corporate and a corporate lobby, so there's usually legal action and there's usually an
Absolutely.
effort to.
And I have no information about Areva and its activity. So what I did is I just downloaded whatever the Areva's promotional videos are there, and whatever the information and materials they have given, I have used. But I'm not sure what the legal action they will take. But the thing is, somebody has to take some initiative. And let's see what they will do and what we as an individual we can do with ourselves. So this is, I think, every filmmaker or every activist have to decide something rather than talking big, some action, and I know that I'm going to be the responsibility, taking entire responsibility of my actions. It is not that somebody asked me to do film in Arewa in Mali, in Africa. This is my personal thing. So I think many people take a risk, this kind of things to tell the story in the world.
Even
So
here we found some of them not wearing the mask. They
yeah,
wore the clothes, but the mask was missing, The mask was missing. Second thing I found is the INFACT has done a good job, at least this much awareness that I'm sure people here won't take to GE products anymore. This kind of an awareness has really struck us, because
yeah,
we were
yeah,
always thinking it's a huge company and
yeah.
our own relatives are employed there, earning a huge sum.
Good money.
And we are like surprised that this much investment and stake is there on human health. Now even we will pledge not to buy these products.
Yeah, I don't. There is no option because if you considering the Jadugoda, similar situation probably in a beet district in Maharashtra, a small farmer of them are having a holding of 2 acre, 3 acre. He's driven out because he has been not provided with the sufficient water resources for agriculture, and then finally he is driven out to make himself, as you say, precisely under process this thing, and they are working as a sugar cane, cutting the sugar cane across Karnataka and everything. That is where the human beings is practically or no forced upon or coerced or that's what I could see. But I say that's option is only thing. I'm a little bit afraid. Probably the Naxalites probably again repeating whether it could be urban Naxalites or urban Maoist. I mean, it is not. We are. I don't know because right now there are people, highly graduates. Okay, I have a respect to all, whether high so-called or not, with so many MBAs, so many engineers, so many these things. Do we have an opportunity for that? Are you creating something? So what is happening? Where do we land? That's what I'm saying. So it is, that means we have to go back to the earlier days, reducing our consumption drastically. So how to go about now, that mindset change will take ages.
We all are responsible for this. In a way, like the people whom we have eulogized, like Baba and Nehru, they were the culprits of Tarapur. Now when we visit Tarapur, people over there sometimes say that our forefathers fall prey to what Baba and Nehru brought. So as someone quoted even, the patriotism is the last resort of rascals. That is the patriotism which they evoked to take our lands. We were unaware of it, and the whole thing went to them. And now what has happened is their whole existence is tied to them. In a way, they have health problems. In Tarapur, if you visit Dandi or places like Uchadi, you will find every house will have a radiation-related disease. Myself, along with Dr. Pugazendi, a couple of years ago, we went there. Pugazendi carried out a quick survey, and we came across very typical cancers, multiple myeloma, which is caused only because of radiation. He could locate many more patients with many other diseases. And this is a situation, and people living in Mumbai are unaware of it.
Yes.
When this film was being made high power, we had approached Tom Hütter for voiceover. What he said was, I feel ashamed that I am staying so close and I was unaware of this. And this is the situation even now. People feel that is a temple of science and this and that and all kind of nonsense. Leave Tarapur, the place over here, BRC. They are routinely discharging contaminated water in the Thana Creek. And probably all of us, we are eating that fish or aquatic, whatever, that comes out of that creek.
New kind poisonous and people are...
And then one day all of a sudden we get tumors and all that, and we all always surprised at how where from it came, like.
Thank you so much for your coming. This was the last of the day. Tomorrow we have very important session. We will start at 11 o'clock. We have very, very prominent, eminent personality here. Tomorrow we will have a panel discussion. Please do come. If you have any link with any newspaper, any media people, if they are interested, please request them, because discussing in a small group, it's not going to work. But I feel that these films will give you some more confidence to talk more in public. So probably you are more empowered with the information and the human story that will carry on this struggle. But if some newspapers, some media people, or if you want to write whatever you have experienced, just write and put in blog anywhere. That will be the some kind of testimony or some record people can read on these things. So please do come tomorrow at 11 o'clock sharp. We will have a very good panel discussion and then continuation of the film screening. Thank you so much.